Hello and welcome, guys, and welcome to yet another vlog. In the last days, I was reading a book called Attitude is Everything. It was by Jeff Keller. Attitude is one such subject which has fascinated me a lot over the past couple of years because your attitude determines your future. I had heard a lot about it, but now after reading this book, I am a fervent believer of the power of attitude. Guys, your attitude decides your future. Your attitude decides your success rate. Your attitude decides what you are going to do, what you are going to achieve in your future. That is for sure. Now, what is this attitude? How can we differentiate our attitude? How can we have a succeeding attitude? How can we have an attitude of a winner? To give you an example which Jeff Keller has given in his book, guys, a small child, a kid, when he starts walking for the first time, he falls. Soon as he falls, he doesn't blame the carpet. He doesn't blame his parents. He doesn't blame the air. He doesn't blame the house. He doesn't blame the floor. He just smiles, gets up, and start walking again. Compare this situation to our daily routine, to our daily lives. Guys, if we are not able to study direct taxes well, then we probably curse our teachers. We tell our teachers that, probably this topic has not been very well taught to us by the teachers. Our institute study mat is really badly prepared. There are so many errors in our study mat that we are not able to prepare efficiently from the study mat. Oh, the exam writing pattern is so pathetic in India that examination centers and examination pattern, the entire scheme behind examination is really faulty, and probably we are not going to succeed in our examination. Our checking pattern is really bad. We don't know under what circumstances are our papers checked, etc., etc., etc. This is how our attitude is. And still, amidst all these things, certain students attain a rank. Certain students get a package worth 10 lakh rupees or 18 lakh rupees or 15 lakh rupees. 8 lakhs rupees is a general package which is given in the institute's campus. Why does this happen? Probably the difference in the attitude. We cannot blame our circumstances. We cannot blame any other person for our failures, for our not achieving the adequate success. So guys, change your attitude and you will see success coming your way. To give you a very small instance of my life, so guys, while doing CFR, I was really afraid of a chapter called Holding, because Holding was a lengthy chapter and I was pretty weak in the chapter Holding. Similarly, in Financial Management, which is known as SFM in Group 3, I was really afraid of all these spreads and all these techniques of mutual funds and investment and all those stuff. And yes, IDT was my worst nightmare. But to overcome all these subjects, the strategy which I thought, I used to channelize my mind in a way that, who has made these subjects, God or human beings? Yes, human beings. Who have invented these techniques of financial management, God or human beings? It's human beings. So if human beings have done all these things, then what is the problem with us that we are not able to learn it? Of course, we will be able to learn it. There is no big deal in being able to learn all these stuff. And I will be able to learn it given that I repeat and I revise my subjects again and again and again. Guys, I used to fix up a time which is a duration of 2 hours or 3 hours when I used to stick to my chair and not get up unless and until I got the stuff right. And I guess this is the winning attitude. Blaming is easy. Blaming your circumstances, blaming the institute, blaming the study material, RTPs have not been released, so on and so forth is an easy job. But really to get on there, to be sticking to your seats and to be able to revise your subjects till the last corner of the book is complete, there lies the difference between the winners and the temporary losers. Our loss is never permanent unless and until we accept our failure. So yes, that is the precise difference between the losers, the guys who get 18 lakhs of package in the institute's campus, which is not a rare phenomenon. Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, all three locations have such instances where huge packages have been given in the campus. So yes, a clear message from Jeff Keller and from me to all of you. Attitude is everything. Change your attitude. Change your life. Change the way you live. Alright, so where are you? We are really inquisitive to know. Okay guys, I am in a beautiful resort of North Goa, and yes, I keep on visiting Goa for rejuvenation after every, say, a year or so or 2 years or so. And yes, today I am in a beautiful resort called the Shining Beach Hotel, and it is located on the beach. And yes, I am going to show you my hotel now. So let's give you a round of the hotel, and it's a beautiful hotel. And you can actually see the entire gallery. Yes, guys, this is the Arabian Sea, and we are at the coast of North Goa, the Baga Beach. It gets really beautiful out here, especially in the evening time. It is so beautiful. You can actually see all the shacks being lit up by amazing lights. So you can see the shacks behind me. They all get lit up in beautiful lights. So once you become CMAs, you're going to come here and party hard because you deserve it. So till the time you become CMA, all the very best and happy studying.